Hey, it's Gene Daughtry, and I wanted to talk to you a minute about your Nissan Juke. You drive your Nissan Juke, and it started to develop a shudder or a vibration in the transmission as you're driving down the road. That's a normal problem for that vehicle for a lot of Nissan products, and it's something that you can take care of pretty easily, actually. If you go to the mechanic, he's going to tell you $2,500, $3,000. He needs to rebuild that transmission, or they just need to replace it with another transmission. And what the problem is that the moving parts in there are getting hindered by a little bit by a gunk buildup that comes up in those transmissions, and it starts to hinder the ability for the mechanical parts to move in that transmission. And so you need to put something in there that's going to relieve that problem, and that's what the Jilcat Proline CVT Supplement does. It's an aerospace technology from about 30 years ago. It's been tested by the military and in racing. It's a made in America product, and it is EPA non-hazardous. So before you do anything else and you want to get that vibration out of there, you're worried about that transmission, get a bottle of Jilcat Proline CVT Supplement at www.jilcat.com, and we'll take care of that for you with the one bottle application. Drive it about 40 miles, and you'll be amazed at how well that will take care of the problem, and it stays away because of the technology of the product, it cleans up the metals.